are you? So this is Chef Angel Michelle. I am Chef Angel Michelle from Culinary to show you one thing that you are going to definitely say, thank you, Chef. I promise you. This is the easiest thing you can do for Thanksgiving. It's also the quickest. It's also the most flavorful. It also has 3 ingredients, believe it or not. You can do all that with just 3 ingredients. You want to know what it is? You want to know what it is? We are going to take cranberries, an orange, and some sugar and make our own cranberry sauce, guys. And trust me when I say, when you make cranberry sauce like this once, you will forever be making cranberry sauce like this. Trust that. So let's get started. I have a bowl. I have a grater. And more like a zester. I have clean hands. I'm cooking at home, all right? So what I want to do is I want to zest the orange. The orange zest has tons of flavor, and it's going to intensify with the cranberries. So have you ever, oh my God, this orange smells so good. So good. Anywho, have you was orange cranberry flavor? If you did, you notice a great combination, right? Now, also notice that I am orange, and I am not going all the way down. Only want to zest. Oh, it smells so good. I only want to zest the outside. If you get too far down, you're going to get into the white part, which is called the pith. And that, my friends, is very, very bitter. So we do not want that. We only want the zest part, which comes from the skin of the orange. Okay, now I am almost done zesting this. So what I want to do is I want to get my pan heated up here, which isn't going to take long. I have it on medium right now, which is 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I need you to raise your hand up there. Canned cranberry sauce. I'm laughing because I can imagine everyone's hands going up right now, or everyone saying, yep, I have. It's like a staple, right? You go to the store, you buy butter, sugar, some type of vegetable, a turkey, and some canned cranberry sauce for Thanksgiving. Well, I'm going to show you an alternative. Blow your socks off. Now, you're probably like, oh my God, that's a lot of work for some cranberry sauce. She's still grating the skin of that orange. But here's the thing. This just adds a little bit of flavor. This is not required. This is not necessary. The cranberries will still have great flavor because we're going to use it. Okay? The zest just adds a little more zip to it. That's all. Okay. And you can also have somebody else do this. Your husband, your kids, whoever. All right. That's some good zest going on right there. So what I'm going to do is grab this. And I also want to cut the orange. I'm going to give it a nice cut. And I'm going to squeeze the eye for a second. Put my sugar down. There. And put this back on. I'm going to squeeze the juice right into the pan. All of that good orange juice. There we go. And do this one the same way. Get all of that juice on here. I like using my hands just because I like to feel the juice. I know that probably sounds totally weird, but I do. That juicer thing, man. It works, it does, but I just like using my hands when I'm cooking. There we go. All right, let me wipe my hands off real quick. And then what we're going to do is stir this. So what's going to happen is the sugar, let me turn this down to 250. What's going to happen is the sugar is going to dissolve right into that orange juice, okay? Which is what's going on right now. Go. Now, the next step is to add our cranberries. Now, the funny thing about the cranberries is once you put them in here, because if you feel them right now, they're hard. Here, let me show you. See if I can open this without berries flying everywhere. That would be funny. All right, so I'm going to get them right down off in there. I'm also going to reserve some so I can show you. Okay, let's get them right down off on there and let them set. So I'm going to turn this back up. Actually, put it on 275. Actually, we can put it up a little bit higher. We're going to put it up 350. There. Now, let me show you these berries. So take a look. Where's the camera? There we go. See the berry? You see how small it is? And it's, let me try and squeeze it. It's hard. Look it. It's going to infuse with all of that wonderful orange flavor. Of course, sugar. But what's going to happen as these little berries heat up, you're going to hear something like pop, 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 pop. They're going to start popping. They're going to pop open. And when they do that, oh, I hear some popping going on. When they hear that, they're going to become soft. Okay, so give this a little. Also, what's going to happen is this is going to thicken. So there's a couple of things going on. The cranberries are popping open, which is natural, which is a good thing. Don't be alarmed. And then the sugar and the orange is actually going to create a thickening. So when you're done, and when it gels up at the end, once you take it off the heat, it's going to be the perfect consistency and the most delicious tasting cranberry sauce that you've ever had in your life. All right? So this needs to hang out here for about 10 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to let it cook down for about 7 minutes. In the last 3 minutes, I'm going to add the zest. And then stay tuned because I'm going to post a picture of the finishing product. But that's it. That's all you have to do to make cranberry sauce. Okay? So, again, this is Chef Angela Michelle from Culinary Kisses. Stay tuned because all of this week, let me get in the camera frame here. All this week, well, not all this week, leading up to Thanksgiving. So today's Monday. Again, Tuesday, tomorrow, again on Wednesday. You can find us at and also at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, Eastern time, we're going to show you, we're going to do some Facebook Lives for Culinary Kisses and showing you different things that you can do to prepare for holidays and make your holiday grand. Okay? So make sure you come back and check us out. Time, Food and Kisses, Chef Angela. Make sure you return so you can see the finished product. I know you don't want to stand here and watch me stir in this pot for 10 minutes, so. Okay, check out the recipe. I'm going to post that. And everything that website, which is culinarykisses.com. All right, check you guys later. See you tomorrow. Bye.